How to track an AliExpress order. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your AliExpress order step by step. It's quick, simple and stress-free. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the AliExpress app or go to the aliexpress.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Inside the home page, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on My Orders. Find the item you want to track and tap on Track Order. You'll now see the tracking number with shipping updates like shipped, in transit or delivered. For more detailed tracking, copy the tracking number and paste it into the 17track.net or your local postal service website. Shipping updates may take few days to appear, so don't worry if it's blank right now after the purchase. And that's it. That's how you can track your AliExpress order like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping and I'll see you in the next video.